Alright, in this lesson we are going to be doing a technique called selective colorization. First thing I want you guys to do is go to my computer, let's go to the 506, and we're going to find a picture that we want to use. So we'll go to the class pictures, and I'm going to go to the 6K water rocket launch. And there's different pictures, and you want to find one that has a lot of color in it to emphasize the color. So I've got one here of Parker, so I'm going to open it. Right click, open with the Gimp. Okay, so I have it open in the Gimp here. And if it's sideways like this, you go to Image, Transform, and rotate it. And I'm going to rotate this counterclockwise so it'll be up like that. Alright, now with this color selection, basically we're going to turn the picture black and white, and we're going to color in certain parts of the picture like the rocket. It's kind of like what we did with the tomato, just using a different technique and using it in the Gimp. Okay, so once you have that picture, what you're going to do is open it again. So you'll go to File, Open, and it should go straight to the picture. And you just need to hit Open again. So down here I've got, oops, this is the first one I opened. I've got the two pictures. So I want to go Image, Transform, and rotate it so it looks the same. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Image Mode and change it to grayscale, and then go to Select and let's select all, and we're going to go to Edit and Copy. And then next you're going to go to the original, and we're going to make a new layer, and we'll just name it BW for black and white. Make sure the layer fill type is on transparency. Okay, so on our BW layer that we just selected, you want to, or just made, select it, and then go to Edit and Paste, and that'll paste in our floating selection. And what we want to do next is right click and go ahead and anchor that layer. Once you have that, you're going to right click again and you're going to select Add Layer Mask, and where it says Initialize Layer Mask to, you want to make sure you select White Full Opacity and then click Add. And then the next thing you want to do is select your brush and make sure your foreground color is on black, and basically you just use the brush and you move the brush, and what you want to do is use plus and minus to zoom in and out, and you're going to go over the areas that you want to turn into color. And when you're finished, what you should have is basically like a rocket, or if you want to do the whole person and leave the rest black and white, that's what you'll do. Okay? So you guys get it. You want to take your time. When I grade these, I will be looking for how neat that you did this. So if you're doing something like this and getting it all over the place, you don't want to do that. I will be taking off for that. And if you do that by accident, you can always use the eraser like I did here and just erase it. Okay? So once you have that finished, you're going to go to File, Save As, go to the 506, go to your period, go to your folder, and go to your graphics folder. And let's name this, if you're finished with it, you'll save it as a JPEG. If you're not, you'll save it as an XCF file. Let's name it Selective Colorization. We'll just put C or SC1. I want you guys to do 3 of these and save them as JPEGs. And then once you're done, I want you to put them into your Gimp portfolio that you've made. It says you're about to save a layer mask as a JPEG. This will not save the visible layers. That's okay. You'll hit confirm there. Okay? And then go ahead and create 2 more once you've done the first one.